Now, in this video lecture, further we proceed with the classification. Dear students, हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी कंप्लीट कर लिया कि क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ हैलोअल्केन एंड हैलोअरीन डिपेंडिंग ऑन द नंबर ऑफ हैलोजन कंपाउंड. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss the classification based on the hybridized state of carbon. So number one is your compounds containing sp3 carbon halogen. Now what does it mean? आपको कोई कहे कि भाई ये आपने जो लिखा है इसका क्या मीनिंग है? What does it mean? It means कि हैलोजन जिस कार्बन से अटैच हो उस कार्बन का हाइब्रिडाइजेशन sp3 होना चाहिए. The first is your alkyl halide. In this category, the first is your alkyl halides. For example, if we write RCH2X, जैसे आप लिखते हो ना, मान लो इथाइल ब्रोमाइड. So if we write ethyl bromide CH3 CH2Br. Now in this case the halogen is bromine. भाई इस केस में आपका हैलोजन क्या है? ब्रोमीन है. सो ब्रोमीन जिस कार्बन से अटैच है, that carbon have hybridization equal to sp3. So alkyl halide, in alkyl halide the halogen attached to carbon, it has hybridization sp3. Now further this alkyl halide is of three types. Number one is your primary or 1 degree. Primary or 1 degree. The second is your secondary or 2 degree. Secondary or 2 degree. While the third is your tertiary or 3 degree. I hope क्लास 11 में हम लोगों ने डिटेल में डिस्कस किया है कि व्हाट इज मीनिंग ऑफ प्राइमरी, सेकेंडरी एंड टर्शियरी. नाउ इफ वी राइट दिस टाइप ऑफ alkyl halide, if we write this type of alkyl halide where this carbon is sp3 hybridized. Now somebody asks you what type of alkyl halide it is, whether primary, whether secondary, whether tertiary, then the answer is it is your 1 degree or primary. अब सवाल ये उठता है कि अगर ये secondary रहता then what should be the formula? If it is secondary then the formula is like this. Again one more R and this is X. Now these two alkyl group may be same, may be different. So if one is R, another is your R dash. तो ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि R और R dash सेम हो और ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि R और R dash different हो. So these two alkyl may be same, these two alkyl may be different. So in this case the hybridized state of this carbon is sp3, but it is not of primary nature, it is your secondary nature. And the next one, what happens in tertiary? What happens in tertiary? See, this is carbon, this is halogen. Now, all the rest three valency is satisfied by alkyl group. If you write R, this is say R dash, and this will be your R double dash. Now, this carbon, कौन सा carbon? The carbon which is denoted by your strict mark. That carbon is your sp3 hybridized and it is your tertiary haloalkane. This is your 3 degree or you can say it is your tertiary haloalkane. Now the next one is second type is your allylic halide. The second type is your allylic halides. Now what are allylic group? In allylic halide what happens? The carbon which is directly attached to halogen, it is your sp3 hybridized, but this carbon is attached with a doubly bonded carbon. This carbon is attached with a doubly bonded carbon, means like this. यहां आप देखिए हैलोजन जिस कार्बन से अटैच है वो sp3 है, but that sp3 hybridized carbon is attached with a doubly bonded carbon. Then such halide is known as your allylic halide. Means if you observe your NCERT book, it is written like this. It is written like this. This is your allylic halide. अब आप इसको यहां से कंपेयर करिए. To maintain tetravalency, there will be 2 hydrogen on this carbon. Now this is your carbon-carbon double bond. Means the halogen which is attached to carbon is your sp3 hybridized. But that sp3 hybridized carbon is attached with your carbon-carbon double bond. For example, if we write CH2 double bond CH2Br. Now this is known as your allyl bromide or allylic bromide. This is your allylic bromide or it is known as your allyl bromide. Allyl bromide. So this allyl bromide is not the IUPAC name, it is your trivial name. Now similarly, if we consider example of this type, say this is your double bond and say this is your halogen atom. लग रहा है बेंजीन रिंग जैसा, बेंजीन तो है नहीं, because in benzene there is alternate single double bond. Now what type of halide? It is your allylic halide. It is your allylic halide because this carbon, if you observe, this carbon is your sp3 hybridized. Halogen attached to the carbon, that carbon is sp3 hybridized, और वो sp3 hybridized carbon is attached with a carbon-carbon double bond. So such halide is your allylic halide. Now the next one is your third type, that is called benzylic halide. The third type is your benzylic halide. बेंजाइलिक हैलाइड. अब सबसे पहला सवाल ये आएगा कि बेंजाइलिक हैलाइड है क्या? इन बेंजाइलिक हैलाइड व्हाट हैपेंस? दिस इज योर बेंजाइलिक हैलाइड. इन बेंजाइलिक हैलाइड द हैलोजन अटैच्ड टू द कार्बन, दैट कार्बन इज sp3 hybridized, but this sp3 hybridized carbon must attach to your benzene ring. आप ध्यान से देखिए, हैलोजन जिस कार्बन से अटैच है वो कार्बन sp3 हाइब्रिडाइज्ड है, but that sp3 hybridized carbon must attach to benzene ring. Means the sp3 hybridized carbon must be adjacent to the benzene ring. So this is your benzylic halide or simply called benzyl halide. If we write this type of compound, say this is your CH2Br, then it is your benzyl bromide. क्या कहेंगे इसको? benzyl bromide. Now this benzylic halide further classified as your primary, secondary and tertiary. It is further classified as primary, secondary and tertiary. This is your benzylic primary. This is your benzylic primary. For example, if we just replace one of the hydrogen by alkyl group, हमने क्या किया? एक हाइड्रोजन को अल्काइल ग्रुप से रिप्लेस कर दिया and say this is halogen of, suppose this is bromine. Bromine means halogen. Now this is benzylic, but it is your secondary. It is benzylic, but it is your secondary. Now what is benzylic tertiary? Both the hydrogen is replaced by alkyl group. This is your one alkyl, this is another alkyl. Say this is R, this is your R dash. Now these two alkyl R and R dash may be same, may be different. मान लीजिए ये R आपका मिथाइल है, R dash भी मिथाइल है, तो सेम हो गया. But if this R is methyl, if this R dash is ethyl, then you can say these two alkyls are different. Now, the another classification is compounds containing sp2 carbon halogen, not sp3, but it is your sp2. Means the halogen, whether in haloalkane or in haloarene, which is attached to carbon atom, it is not of sp3 type, but it is of sp2 type. The very good example is your haloarene. The very good example is your haloarene. If we write, suppose this is, say this halogen is chlorobenzene. This haloarene is your chlorobenzene. Then what is this? In this case, the halogen attached to carbon, because this is carbon. This is carbon, and that carbon is your sp2 hybridite. So your simple haloarene is nothing. It is the compound containing sp2 carbon halogen. Similarly, let us suppose if we write this type of haloarene. This is your halogen, and suppose we put here a alkyl group, methyl group. ये भी इसी कैटेगरी में आ गया, because इस मिथाइल ग्रुप डालने से there will be no difference, because this halogen attached to carbon, that carbon is your sp2 hybridized. The another class of compound belonging to this category is your vinylic halide. Next is your vinylic halides. Now in vinylic halides, say this is type. For example, if we write CH2 double bond CH and X, this is your vinylic halide. Now this halide is your vinylic halides. Means the halogen which is attached to carbon, that carbon is your sp2 hybridized. Simply, if you consider your NCERT book, now this is, आप देखेंगे जब आप अपना NCERT बुक पढ़ेंगे तो आपको इस तरह लिखा हुआ है, कंफ्यूजन नहीं होना चाहिए, because this indicates carbon, this indicates carbon. So if we write carbon-carbon double bond, naturally you can say this is hydrogen to maintain tetravalency, and this is your halogen, and this is hydrogen. Now this carbon, ये जो कार्बन आप देख रहे हैं जिससे ये halogen अटैच है, that carbon is your sp2 hybridized. Another example of this still, say this is double bond. ये double bond आपने डाल दिया. Now this carbon is sp2, this carbon is sp2, double bonded carbon sp2. Now if we put one halogen, then this type of halide is also known as your vinylic halide. Then this halide is also your vinylic halide. Now I hope we have already discussed the detailed classification of haloalkane and haloarene. In my next video lecture, I will discuss the nomenclature of haloalkanes and haloarene. Thank you.